Hey guys, it's Abby again.
It's Mo.
And we're here back for another episode of the Weekly Quandary. Today we're going to be discussing some of the different industries that use QuickBase.
As a recap, what is QuickBase? QuickBase is essentially a software platform that allows you to build custom business applications. Things like CRMs, dashboards, business intelligence, project management tools, all of those can be built on the QuickBase sandbox.
So one of the industries that uses QuickBase is healthcare industry. Avant Healthcare actually used QuickBase to build a tool that helped them with their HR onboarding process and to manage their compliance.
So one industry that's really embraced QuickBase is the airline industry. Companies you may have heard of, such as JetBlue and Southwest, have used QuickBase to build custom software to improve their business operations. JetBlue, for example, used QuickBase to build a project management tool. This allowed them to reduce the time it spent collaborating between projects, improved communication between their teams, and they were able to cut their IT staff because they had less time to spend on manual tasks that ran between departments.
So one example that I think is really cool is in the local government. New Orleans actually used QuickBase to connect their systems. So when a 911 phone call comes in, it actually contacts all the different departments within New Orleans. That way they can respond quicker to 911 calls and emergencies. So one example is one where there was a girl who's standing on a bridge who was about to commit suicide. She called 911, and instead of that department spending maybe 10 minutes trying to call each cell phone carrier and decide who provided a service to her phone number in order to track her location, they were able to just press a button and enter her phone number and track her location instantly. What's crazy is they ended up saving about 10 minutes responding to that phone call and pinning that location. And they saved her life. So that's just one example of how QuickBase is really changing the way things are done for the better.
Yeah, I find that story really incredible. The fact that you have so many different applications for it really speaks to the sandbox element of the platform, that you even have local governments using it to save lives and reduce the number of man hours they have to spend on these different tasks.
Yeah, and in that case it was just man minutes, but it made a huge difference.
For sure. Some other industries that have embraced QuickBase include manufacturing, finance, management consulting.
And some others are consumer goods, branding, and marketing.
To hear more about all the different case studies and functionalities of QuickBase, find a link in the description below to our blog about the 10 industries that have used QuickBase effectively. And you can find a list of case studies that cover all of the different challenges companies in these industries have faced and how QuickBase has come in and allowed them to build these custom solutions fit to their needs.
Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Weekly Quandary.
Thanks, guys.
See ya.